Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be creating this kind of like purple unicorn type of look. I asked you guys in a poll on Instagram what you guys wanted to see, if colorful or neutral, and you guys picked colorful, so y'all better watch this. Either way, if I am a little off in this video is because I've been sick literally all week. Currently still sick right now, but I had to get this video up for you guys, so yeah. I'm going to start off with the Carity 21 matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that bright orange that's next to the yellow to begin my eyeshadow. This is going to be our transition color, and I'm just taking that on a Morphe M513 brush. And I'm just blending that from the outer corner to the inner corner and blend it into the crease. Let me know how you guys like this zoomed in type of like eye thing going on here. I used to record like this before for a few videos, but then I just stopped because the lens was a little bit annoying. But this is a different lens. Let me know how you guys like it and if you guys like these close-ups so you guys can see like how the shadows really perform. Now I'm taking the purple from the eyeshadow palette and I'm just packing that on to the outer corner and then blending it in circular motions into my inner corner and crease. This purple was giving me a little bit of a hard it was just giving me a hard time. It was getting a little bit patchy on me, so I switched over to the M514 by Morphe, which is a smaller brush. This purple was just not working for me whatsoever. I love every other color on the palette, but that purple was just like not good at all. Now I'm just taking this Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow, and it's kind of like the holographic theme. It was limited edition, so it's not available, but I'll see if I find something similar that you guys can like purchase, and I'll list it down below. And now I'm just applying that purple again, well, trying, because this is where it really like annoyed me because it was just like not sticking to my eye. I don't know if it was because of the shadow like that I had applied before, like the liquid shadow, but I had to really pack this on like a lot. Like for this that you see right here, I'm literally like packing it on with my finger at the end because I'm just like maybe the brush isn't working, and that kind of helped, but it was just like a hot mess. It was just not sticking where I needed it to or blending, and there was even patches behind, so that purple was a big no-no for me. I do like the palette, but that purple was just like not a good purple to work with. Now I'm just creating like a little line and smoking it out with a black eyeshadow, um, just to kind of like apply my lashes. I don't really want like a wing liner with this look or anything like that. And then for my lashes, you guys probably already know this, but I am taking Instaho by Batty B Lashes. For my moisturizer, I'm taking this one by Drunk Elephant. And I tried to do something cool, but it just like flipped out. Either way, I'm just applying that with a stippling brush to my skin. Now I'm just taking the Smashbox mattifying priming stick, and you guys know I love this. I'm just placing that where I have my largest pores because it really blurs out my pores there. Then taking this Becca under eye illuminator, I'm just taking that and pressing that underneath my eyes to pretty much cancel any darkness. And I took the Laura Mercier Profusion Foundation, I believe that's how it's called, I'm not completely sure, and taking this Sigma brush, and I'm just pretty much applying that to the rest of my skin. The foundation isn't bad, but I don't know, I feel like it got a little cakey on me, and I didn't really like that. It was my first time trying that, by the way. Like, I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of that foundation, to be honest. I feel like it made my skin look very textured and, like, just dry. Um, then for concealer, I am taking the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I have a new shade, which I will list down below because I can't remember from the top of my head, but the other shade that I was using before was just a little bit too light for me. Well, for my liking at least. And then I'm just taking this Maybelline Superstay Stick Foundation in the shade 312, I believe it is, and I'm using that to pretty much contour and warm up my skin. And for the Huda powders, I am using the shade Pound Cake and also Banana Bread. I'm mixing both of them, mainly using both of them in my under eyes and then using Banana Bread all over my skin. For bronzer today, I'm using this one by Makeup Geek, and it's called Sunkissed. It's an old bronzer that I had in my collection. I just wanted to kind of like bring out some new stuff. Well, not new stuff, but just bring back some stuff that I used to use. But I really didn't like that bronzer, so I would not be using that again. So I had to like switch over to the Hula bronzer because that bronzer was literally like doing nothing for me. So that was a fail, but I was trying to just bring and incorporate things that I used to use into this video. Then I am just taking this blush by Benefit. It's called Gold Rush, I believe, and it smells just so good. I have a perfume that smells just like it. It smells like Armani. I don't remember the name, but I'll list that perfume down below so you guys can check it out when you go to Sephora and smell that bronzer, and you'll see what I'm talking about. For highlighters, I'm taking the Artist Couture Hot Damn and also the Morphe in Extra. Now for lip liner, I'm taking Jordana Coco Loco, What's New. And for my lips, I am going to be taking an oldie but a goodie, and that is going to be the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood liquid lipstick. This was literally like the thing back then, and I just really loved this liquid lipstick before, so I wanted to bring it back for this look.